What's the meaning of bleakness? Bleakness. Bleakness.
Bleakness. Bleakness. Bleakness refers to a state of being gloomy, lacking optimism or hope, and having a sense of desolation or emptiness. It is often associated with feelings of sadness, loneliness, and despair. When someone experiences bleakness, they may feel as though everything around them is dull, lifeless, and without meaning. This can be caused by a variety of factors, such as personal struggles, societal issues, or environmental conditions. However, it is important to note that even in times of bleakness, there is always the possibility for hope and renewed positivity. With effort and support, individuals can overcome their sense of bleakness and find fulfillment and purpose in life.